concepts. You need to understand how money works. You need to be able to manage your money properly. I call this increase your financial wisdom. So this is the first step, the most important one. Without this step, nothing will work. The second step is for people who understand that there are certain things that we cannot predict in life. This is protect yourself. So protect yourself. So before you go on and try to get great returns with your money, you first need to protect yourself. And in my system, we use two tools to protect ourselves. The first tool is insurance policies, and the second tool are precious metals, gold and silver. Then, the third step, if you have my workbook ready, imprinted, write down grow your golden goose. So write down grow your golden goose. These are your long-term investments. These investments are the key to success in life, to financial success in life. And you need to have them in order to build your pension pot, in order to increase your financial security, power, and maybe for schooling of your children and stuff like this. So, grow your golden goose. These are your long-term investments, and long-term investing in my system means 10 years plus. So you invest in a certain asset category or a financial product for at least 10-year period. Okay, you don't sell after 3 years, you don't sell after 5 years, but you keep that money for a long time period. Okay, at least 10 years. Then the next step is for people who are impatient, like me. It's accelerate your returns. There are some strategies, more short-term strategies, where you can achieve better returns compared to your long-term investments. But of course, this comes at an additional risk. So, higher possible returns, but of course, also a higher risk. And the last part of my system is the answer to the question, why? Why am I doing all that? It's because you have certain dreams, certain goals. You want to achieve something in your life. You want to achieve a certain lifestyle and so on. So this is the system. And it looks very simple and easy. But unfortunately, the financial industry put a lot of big hurdles on the way. The first big hurdle is that financial literacy is just not available for most people. And in our school systems, they don't teach us about personal finance and investing. Do you agree? So we all grew up without financial knowledge. Okay? I grew up totally financially illiterate. The game of protecting ourselves and long-term investing, these two games are rigged. This means that they are set up in such a way that only the financial industry is winning and we are always losing. My case in point, the most popular financial products and the most popular life insurance products are basically the worst possible financial products out there. Why? Because of the fees. And in the second part of my webinar, I will show you how this works and how small fees can eat up most of your future returns. And in many cases, even the money you have invested. So these two games are really very hard to win. And today I will show you how to win them. The game of short-term investing, it's the same story, or maybe even worse, because 19 out of 20 investors, short-term investors, lose their money, and on average this happens in just 4 months. So, with all these games being rigged, how the hell can we achieve our big dreams and even share our wealth? There's no way. But, is there a solution for all this mess? And my answer is a resounding yes. With 3 areas of financial wisdom, you will become one of the most financially literate people in the world, and you will never need financial advisors anymore. With Armor Formula, I will give you a simple formula on how to choose the best possible insurance products and how to invest in gold and silver for the right reasons, because most people invest in gold for totally the wrong reasons. And all the other, I will also share with you with this formula all the other details that you need to understand before you invest in precious metals. We will feed our golden goose with the grain system. This system will help you accumulate 2 to 5 times more money compared to investing in the standard financial products that the financial industry recommends. So much better returns, much smarter products compared to what your financial advisor recommends. With Star Passive Income Builder, I will show you how you can win the short-term trading game without trading. So no trading, totally passive strategy. And it's quite unusual, but later I will show you. I will maybe just take 5 minutes to explain this to you. And the last thing, with all these systems in place, you will be able to reach your goals fast. So this is the entire system that I created for myself and then for my clients. And today, of course, I will not have enough time to go through the entire system. Usually, it takes me 2 full days to cover the entire system at my live seminars and so on. But today, I would like to give you, let's say, 2 key messages, or maybe 1 key part of my system. This is the long-term investing that is the most important for you. Okay, so today you will learn some amazing things, some amazing strategies, some amazing information about long-term investing that should be our most important investment strategy. And this is also the strategy that will help you to make it big during this recession. Okay, so I will give you really the most important part of my system today. And at the end of this webinar, I will also invite you to join my online course that covers all the details, all the systems, all the subsystems. Okay, and I will give you a very special offer that we agreed on with Raymond before this webinar. So it will be really a really special offer if you want to learn all the details and the entire system. So today, a lot of great value. You will be amazed. But if you want to learn the entire system, you will have an option to do that at the end of this webinar. Now, before we go into the content, some legal stuff. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? Thanks God. So everything that I share today is just my opinion, and nothing constitutes financial or other professional advice. And if I mention any stocks or funds and so on, this is just for illustration. Okay, so this is something that you need to understand. Now, 4th of March. First, let's move to the first topic, and this is COVID-19 recession. What is happening? What could happen in the future? And could this be a big opportunity for all of us? So, 4th of March. I should have been in Moscow delivering my seminar, my live seminar there. But of course, with my promoter, we agreed that I will not travel there because I saw what is going on with the coronavirus. And even though it was possible to get there, but I said no way because they can basically stop the flights when I'm there or something. So I am very careful about these things, and I decided to have this event online via live streaming, so online stream. And when I finished this seminar, it was like the end of the world. When I checked my email, when I checked the news, it was like my promoter from the Netherlands, who also works with Tony Robbins, said, "Robert, everything is being cancelled. Everything is being postponed. All the events, everything." Then I checked some news sites. Cities were being locked down. The whole countries were being locked down. It was like, wow, what's happening, So I think that this was the first day where the world realized that this is a very serious thing, that the COVID-19 is a really serious thing that can have a huge effect on our lives and on our market, stock markets and all the other markets around the world. and also celebrities were getting infected and so on. And the stock market, this is my screenshot that I took at that time. It was like 30% down. Dow Jones went down 30% in just a couple of weeks. It's unprecedented. It was like the first time in history that something like this happened. Even gold, a safe haven usually, went down with the stocks, and maybe I will later explain why. So it was like, what's happening? So what is my take on the COVID-19 recession in the making? On the 1st of March, before Warren Buffett, before Ray Dalio, before all these big investment gurus realized that something really terrible is happening, I wrote a very interesting article on my blog titled COVID-19, a global crisis in the making. And I talked about that, the COVID-19 was not the only reason why the stock market is tanking. There was another reason, and that is that stock market was overvalued, overheated for a long time. And I started to prepare my clients for the next recession already in the last months of the year 2019. So last year, on the 14th of November, I sent all of my clients a video with a recession warning. And I talked about that Federal Reserve, United States Federal Reserve, is basically force-feeding the economy with credit, and that this asset bubble will need to pop sooner or later. And then in January, I have regular updates for my clients, for my course clients, and I show them how to prepare themselves for the recession, and what should they do because of what will happen. But this was before the coronavirus. I didn't know at the time that the coronavirus will have such a huge effect. But the stocks were overvalued. This is the Warren Buffett indicator. It shows you the ratio between the value of the entire United States stock market versus gross domestic product. And as you can see here, this number means overvalued. So if it's more than 140, it's really, really highly overvalued. It was like 160 before the dot-com crash. It was like 117 before the financial crisis, and now it was almost 150. So then the US unemployment was at historic lows. And when the employment is at historic lows, the next move is always, it goes up, So there is some kind of recession because of the credit cycles, because of the market cycles, and so on. So this is the contrarian indicator. Now, I was preparing my clients for this for several months. And now the question for you is, could this be a big opportunity for you? Okay. Now, one of my favorite quotes says, "Recession is just a transfer of wealth from people who are not prepared and don't know the right details to people who are prepared and know the right details." So this is one of my favorite quotes. So recession is just a transfer of wealth.